How to reset forgotten password on TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the app on your device. Once the app loads, you will see two options: Get Started and Login. Tap on Login and just below the login fields, tap on Forget Password to begin the reset process. You will be asked to verify your account details by entering your username and other required information such as your registered email address or account number. After entering the details, tap Next. A password reset link will then be sent to your registered email. Open the email, click the link, and you will be redirected to a secure page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, combining letters, numbers, and special characters. Once set, return to the app and log in with your updated credentials. Now you know how to reset a forgotten password on the TD Auto Finance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.